Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube video on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your YouTube application and here find some video you need to upload to TikTok. It can be the whole video or you can use just a short part of that video. So I found a video and now I need to use the screen recorder tool. As you know, in iPhone it's located right here in control center. I just make a short swipe on the top right corner and there I can use screen recording feature. Just tap on that. There is 3 seconds countdown. I can in that time make a video in horizontal position and then play that video. And now I need to wait for a time to record all that now is happening on that screen. And when I finish recording the video I can pause that and I now need to stop recording just like that, and now I can upload that video to TikTok. For now it's saved to my iPhone library, to my gallery. And now if I open TikTok I can tap plus, I can upload that video, select it from gallery, tap next, and here select adjust clips right here at the right. And now I can trim for a while to select the specific part that I need. Now I trimmed video and using this icon I can rotate that video in any position that I want. So now that's good. I tap save and now I can continue editing that video as I want. I can add some text here, add some sound or do whatever I want as I normally do when I'm uploading a TikTok video. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you and see you next time.